my name is Kate, and today I want to tell you about one of Ukrainian traditions on Easter. Art of decorating Easter eggs has been Ukrainian tradition for over 10 centuries. Why egg and what does it mean? Pysanka commemorates the resurrection of Christ and is a promise of eternal life. Also, there are no two similar pysanka, there are standard and classical rules of its preparation. Art of pysanka is based on vox resist. Seeing is believing, that's why I welcome you to see the class of pysankarstva. Let's see how it works.